This home is move-in ready and hitting the market for sale tomorrow. New roof, expanded square footage, updated bathrooms and kitchen, fresh paint throughout. This 3-bedroom, 1-bath located on a quiet cul-de-sac in a great neighborhood is exactly what buyers in this market are looking for. So stick around. Let's take a look inside at 7425 Treon Place in Huber Heights. Huber Heights is hot right now. Strong schools, growing community, great central location, close to everything, and homes are moving. A property like this, updated, turnkey, move-in ready, doesn't stay on the market long. The new roof alone saved buyers thousands in the future, and the added square footage means more space without the large price tag. These upgrades matter. With our marketing strategy, this home gets seen by thousands before the open house on Friday. So if you're thinking about buying in Huber Heights, or if you know someone who is, give me a call or shoot me a text. Let's talk about your next move. I'm Rochelle Watkins with Navex Realty and Homes by Rochelle. Let's navigate home together.